Hey guys, welcome back to Cumberlachia. Today was the day I was going to show you the update on my garden. Unfortunately, as we tell everybody, you should try to grow enough food for more than just 1 year. Everybody always says, why are you canning for 2 years, 3 years? You can can again next year. I just walked out of my garden not long ago. Came up to the cabin and heard some crackling, and then the largest bang I've heard in a long time. And as you can see here, this is my garden from the front. 80 to 100 foot pine tree that was rotting in the woods and had a little bit of lean to it. I knew it was going to be coming down soon, but it came down and crushed my entire garden. There's a few tomato plants that I can probably get out of there that were in grow bags. I don't know, I'm afraid to get in there right now because the trunk is laying across the top of my garden, the beams, and I keep hearing cracking and popping. So it just came down on the quail hutch. I'm getting it cleaned out. The quail are okay. I crawled back in there and checked on them. So it's another reason we always say can for more than 1 year. Put up for more than 1 year because you never know what's going to happen. So this is the back of my garden. About 100 foot pine tree just came down. Took out my whole garden. So once we get this all cleaned up, I'll hopefully get a fall garden this year. Take care, you guys. Love y'all. Bye-bye.